Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Kenneth Kabungkal, the reigning Misters of Filipinas 2023 Grand Winner, is ready to take on the world as he represents the Philippines in the Man of the World 2024 competition. With the event scheduled for July 17 to 26, 2024, Kenneth is gearing up for what promises to be a highly competitive and exciting journey. Kenneth's victory at Misters of Filipinas 2023 marked the beginning of an intense period of preparation. Known for his impressive physiques, sharp intellect, and strong sense of advocacy, he embodies the quality that a man of the world competition celebrates. His readiness for battle is evident in his dedication and maintaining peak physical condition, honing his public speaking skills, and engaging in community service projects that highlight his commitment to various social causes. As he steps into this international arena, Kenneth brings with him the pride of the Philippines. His journey is not just about personal achievement, but also about representing his country with honor and dignity. His story is one of perseverance, hard work, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Supporters are encouraged to follow and support Kenneth's journey to the Man of the World competition. His presence on social media offers an inside look at his preparation, challenges, and triumphs. Kenneth's Kabungkal journey is a testament to his resilience and dedication, and his participation in the Man of the World 2024 is poised to inspire many and bring pride to the Philippines. Let's rally behind him and cheer him on as he aims to bring home the title. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!